Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here's a picture of the panel of the Project Tiger in flight. It's on its way there to South Carolina in the haze to get some paint touch-up. It's the final thing we have on our punch list, and then the baby goes up for sale, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. And here's some more pictures of the panel of the Project Tiger in flight. As you can see, all the displays are running, the autopilot is engaged, and as you can look out the windshield, you can see just how hazy it was flying from Ohio to South Carolina. But we're not painting the whole airplane, we're just catching up on the spots where we had to put patches for the extra antennas on the belly and just finish touching it up to make her perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative about the Project Tiger. Again, final stages of touch-up. When she comes back, it's time for a video and then some sail. So again, thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here's Hopscotch. He's playing with one of the toys that Mike May brought us when he brought us his Tiger again this year. He definitely loves that blue mouse with the blue feather. Thanks, Mike. He's really enjoying it.